The interesting thing now is bridging the rigor of ML model development and the usual practice of software testing. And in that space is where evaluation driven development is emerging as a term, which is very similar to test driven development in software engineering. But unlike software tests, the source of these tests are built in a much more iterative manner. In other words, it's kind of hard to imagine the inputs and outputs in a generative application, but it is easy to determine when you see it. So the name of the game is recording all the LLM interactions and use those to create evaluations with. But zooming out a bit about how to bridge that gap, we are a bit of a eat the broccoli kind of moment. And I'm thinking a bit back to the start of my career at Mesosphere, where we were sitting kind of next to the hyperscalers like Google and Facebook, where they have been able to build highly reliable services that could scale to planet scale services essentially. And one ingredient to doing this was starting to think about how the organization is designed, who's responsible for reliability. And software reliability engineering became a thing as an organization and as a role and responsibility. And I think something similar is necessary in AI to close that gap.